let's start from the other side. Self-introduction.
My name is Mohammed Usman from Colombia.
Yes, that's correct.
My name is Amaano from Colombia.
Thank you. Year 9 girls, year 10 girls. Okay, thank you. So the audience, we want to go and begin with the first segment. So in the first segment, each group will have to answer 8 questions. You'll choose numbers randomly between 1 to 8 in the question board displayed on the screen. These questions are drawn from the subject areas that you study in your class. They are multiple choice questions. You will have 30 seconds to answer the questions correctly. In case the time expires, then the question will be regarded as a pass. Also, you are supposed to be articulate and pronounce the questions well. In case you encounter a mathematical problem, you'll be given 1 minute to work out the answers. So let's begin. Mr. Mohamed Rabi, you can draw which team goes first. Which team goes first? Year 10 girls. Okay. Year 10 girls, you have to choose questions between numbers 1 to 8. So let's begin. Number 2, it is.
Arabic question. السيد هو ألف سيد الأبرار باء من كفار الصحابة جيم سيد الفقهاء.
We pass to form 1B.
1.
Question number 1. Yes.
Arabic question. المسافات التي يقصر المسافر فيها المسافر هي ألف 90 وما أكثر باء 70 جيم 50. ألف.
Year 10. Question number 4. This is ICT question. Which one of the following is not a feature of a digital device? A. Convergence. B. Storage. C. Portability. D. Performance.
A.
Convergence. That's correct. From 1B. Number 2. Simplify 3 plus 2 into brackets 2x minus 5. Simplifying 3 plus 7 into 2x minus 5 is Yes?
B.
B.
This one.
Yes.
That's correct. Number 6, year 10. Identify the meaning of the term watershed. The top of a waterfall, the mouth of a river, the edge of a drainage basin, the soaking of water into the ground.
The edge of the drainage basin.
The edge of the green.
That's correct. Yes, 1B.
Number 3.
Number 3. Which of the following is not a function of a human skeleton system? A. Give support to the rest of the body. B. Give protection to important and delicate organs. C. Provide an anchorage for muscles. D. Transport blood across the body.
D.
D. That's right. Year 10. Number 8. Which of the following is a symptom of type 1 diabetes? A. High insulin level in the blood. B. Glucose presence in the urine. C. Low glucose level in the blood. And D. Insulin presence in urine. Yes?
D.
D.
Yeah.
It's wrong. We pass to 1B.
4.
Number 4, 1B. Which of the following is not a magnetic media device? A. Memory card. B. Floppy disk. C. Hard disk. D. Magnetic tape. An ICT question. Yes?
A.
A. Memory card. That's right. Year 10 girls. Number 1. It's a math question. 2 minus x over 2 is equal to 0. Which of the following is the value of x in 2 minus x over 2 is equal to 0. That is x over 2. 2 minus x over 2 equals to 0. Yes?
2.
2 is 4. Okay, 1B.
5.
Number 5. This is an English question. Robin was speaking so rudely. Which part of speech is rudely? The underlined word. Adjective, preposition, adverb, or a verb. Yeah. Adverb. So that's correct. Year 10.
3.
Number 3. This is a chemistry question. Which of the following shows the arrangement of elements from the least reactive to the most reactive? The first one, sodium, potassium, lithium, calcium, magnesium. B, lithium, potassium, magnesium, sodium and calcium. C, magnesium, calcium, lithium, sodium and potassium. C, calcium, lithium, potassium, magnesium and sodium. Yes? C.
This one.
That's correct. Yes. Number 6. The internal structure of Earth consists of dash. A. Crust. B. Mantle. C. Core. D. Ore. D. Ore. That's right. Year 10.
6.
Number 6, we've done it.
No, sorry, 5.
Yes?
5.
Number 5, yes. This is an English question. What does the underlined idiom mean? Mom, please don't send me to a hospital, cried Jack. You must see a doctor, Jack. So just bite the bullet, replied Mom. A.
Force yourself to do something unpleasant.
C. Force yourself to do something unpleasant. That's correct. 1B.
7.
Number 7. On Earth, Sophia has a mass of 60 kg. On the Moon, Sophia would weigh A. 600 Newton, 60 Newton, 10 kilogram, 96 Newtons. A. That's wrong. The answer is D. Okay. Yeah. Number 7 is left for year 10.
Number 7.
Yes. Number 7. This is a physics question. A spaceship accelerates from 0 meters per second to 100 meters per second in 20 seconds. What is its acceleration? 50 meters per second square, 100 meters per second square, 0 meters per second square, 5 meters per second square. Yes? D. That's right. 1B. You have question 8 in this segment left. Yes. This is a chemistry question. When metal atom reacts with a non-metal atom, non-metals dash gain electrons to become negative ion, lose electrons to become positive ion, gain electrons to become positive ion, or lose electrons to become a negative ion. Yes?
A.
A. That's correct. So that marks the first segment of the competition. We are going to the second segment. So here, each team will have 4 questions. The difference between the classes is not much, and the questions are also weighed. They can be passed to another class, but with only 1 mark you can gain from that. Minimal mark. Each question gotten correctly is awarded 2 marks. So we begin with year 10. Which numbers between 13 to 16 do you choose?
14.
Number 14. Number 14. Chemicals in cigarette smoke lead to the breakdown of the walls of an alveoli. What is the name given to the disease? Four seconds. Yes? Yes, that's correct. Emphysema. One B. Number 9. The corrosion that occurs to the metals of iron and steel only is known as? The corrosion that occurs to the metals of iron and steel only is known as? Rusting. That's correct. Year 10. Number 16. An ICT question. What does HDMI stands for? HDMI. What does HDMI stands for? Yes. You have to be slow.
High definition multimedia interface.
Yes, high definition multimedia interface. That's correct. HDMI stands for high definition multimedia interface. Yes. Number 10. Which part of air passage is where gaseous exchange happens and is considered the functional unit of the respiratory system? This is a biology question. Yes? Lungs, that is wrong. We pass to the other part. Yes? Wrong. It's the correct answer from the crowd. Yes. Alveoli, that's correct. Okay. Year 10?
13.
Number 13. Simplify the form x squared minus 5x plus 4 minus x squared plus 6x minus 3. Simplify that. X plus 1, that's correct. Yes.
11.
Number 11. X to power 3 times 4 x to power negative 3 times 4 to power 3 is equals to? Yes.
4 power 0.
4 power 0? 4 power 0 is equals to what? The mathematician, any number raised to power 0? Yes?
1.
They are correct. So the answer is 1, but I know the little math that I know that a number raised to power 0 is 1. So they are correct. So let's go to grade 10. The last question is question 15. Yes. What is the physical state of bromine at room temperature? What is the physical state of bromine at room temperature? Liquid, that's correct. So that's marked the end of segments 1 and 2. So we are moving to the third from 1B. One question is left. Okay, number 12. ICT question.
Cathode ray tube.
Cathode ray tube, that's correct. What is the primary oxygen carrying protein found in red blood cells? What is the primary oxygen carrying protein found in red blood cells? Yes, hemoglobin, that's correct. The biggest freshwater lake in Africa is Lake Victoria. Name 3 countries that share this lake. Yes? Let me pass to the audience the question. Yes, Ismail. Yes, that's correct. Okay, the another group. Approximately, what fraction of Earth's surface is covered by oceans? Yes? 71 over 100. Yes, I think that's correct. The number 4.56 times 10 power 11 has how many zeros? 10? No? Yes? No? 9. How many permanent teeth does a typical adult human being have? 32, that's correct. How many presidents have ruled Somaliland since 2003? Five seconds. 5, that's wrong. Let me pass the question to the crowd. Yes.
2. No.
2, that's 3. 3. So we have Riale Khair, Ahmed Mohamed, Mahmoud Silanyo, and Musa Bihi from 2003. So we have 3. When was the Organization of African Union, AOU, established? Which year was the Organization of African Union, AOU, established? Which year? Yes? That's wrong. Let me pass to the crowd. Yes, Amen. 1963. Okay. What is the name? Okay, no. The hydrological cycle describes the circulation of Earth dash. The hydrological cycle describes the circulation of Earth's dash. Hydrological cycle describes circulation of what in Earth? Hydrological cycle describes the circulation of dash. Yes. Yeah. No, that's wrong. Let me pass it to the crowd. Yes, this side. Yeah. No. Water. That's correct. Okay, we give you one more shot to mark the end of this competition. Okay, math teacher is also here, so I want to give you a math question. It's very, very easy math question. Listen carefully. How many degrees are in 1/3 of a right angle? How many degrees are in 1/3 of a right angle? Wrong? To the audience? Yes. 30. That's correct. So, that marks the end of the competition. So you can participate. Thank you so much.
You realize one group has 42, another group has 43. A difference of 1. So I take this opportunity to congratulate grade 1B girls.